Welcome back to Cleveland on the Rocks. We're at Lions Bourbon Bar, and I'm Matt, and that's Tony, and that's Jim. Tony has not been jumping on this. I was very surprised.
He's
like,
just letting it go.
Just calm.
Going with the flow. Yeah.
I'm calm today.
Getting back in. Yeah.
You know why he's so calm? Because he's like, we got Knob Creek 12 right here, and we're about to do this because.
So, hold on. What if this is our 100th video? Right?
This is the big 100.
Number 100 already?
Different. It is.
Right. Oh shit! Where was I?
You were in like 30, 40, 50 of them. I don't know.
No,
I have no idea.
I feel like all three of us are like at least 70 something of them, and then there's a few that we each did. You know, we couldn't make it. Or whatever. Yeah.
Do we have a million videos? You know what we need to do after our 100th video? We need to make a video and see which video is like ranked where. Yeah. And what we did good on this and what we did bad on this. And throw comments of what we're doing good that you like and what you don't like. If you don't like something we're doing, like, let us know that too, because that'd be super cool, because then we can fix it and we can do it better. So, we're going to get into some Knob Creek 12. Jim took, and probably, a couple weeks trying to find this bottle?
Yeah, I was hunting for a few weeks, and what happened was it was like the week before Father's Day. I think on a Wednesday.
Oh, yeah.
So Wednesday before Father's Day, in Ohio we have a website we can search inventory. So I went on and showed my local liquor store having it in stock. So I said, hey, you know what? It's not far from my house. I'm gonna drive over there and see.
OHLQ.
Sure enough, there it was behind the counter. I was behind one person, and I'm like, please, that guy, don't ask for Knob Creek 12.
And it glowed. It had a glowing aura that said Jim in a rainbow shape.
I want to
say
he bought some regular old Jim Beam, and I'm like, yes, sir. He has no idea what was sitting right back there behind the counter.
Well, do you want to crack this? Because you took the time to find it. So
the other thing I wanted to say is it was Father's Day. My wife paid for it. It's my Father's Day present. So thanks, wife.
Thank you, young lady. We appreciate you.
We're gonna enjoy this.
Hell yeah!
Yeah, I've been. Like I said, I spent a few weeks looking for this one.
Hell yeah!
Oh.
I
got it. Here it comes.
You got it?
Yeah. Do not try this at home.
All right, here it goes.
Here, let's put this back before somebody gets hurt. Put this over here. All right.
Here it goes.
All right, quiet now.
Woo!
Nice.
That was a really.
So you know this gonna be good. Like you know it's gonna be good.
Hopefully, man.
What
the tab didn't pull, so there was that little nylons or little pieces of nylon.
You might want to leave that out and then just clean it out after.
Yeah, I will. Yeah. After the video, I'll clean it up. So.
All right. I feel like we're at the 4-minute point already, but this is the big 100, so it's okay. That's what we do.
Right, and while I'm pouring, I want to say I've seen a picture of barrels that go by like different age, 5 years, 10 years. This is 12, so what happens is more and more evaporates each year. So it shows you the different levels. That's one of the reasons if you see something age for a long time, don't just think they're being greedy. What happens is like half of it evaporates out of the barrel. So that's
between evaporation,
and the devil's cut that comes out through the barrel.
Yeah.
Yep. That's what happens. It smells like a dark, crisp walnut.
Yeah, it is really dark. So let me see. What were we comparing to the other day? Four Roses.
Four Roses.
Yeah. So we were using Four Roses as a baseline. You can see that. It's
definitely see it's
much
well darker. Mm-hmm. So basically, this one is gonna have a.
Where'd the Buffalo Trace bottle go? Look at the difference.
This is gonna have a heightened.
Those. Yeah, we have Buffalo Trace also. Compare. Yeah, it's.
I mean, it's close, but it's still a big difference.
No, this one's
darker.
Super dark.
Oh yeah. How about the legs? Swish it around a little bit and watch it. Yeah. Oh yeah.
This is nice. This is gonna be thick, like a dark walnut burnt. Actually, there's really not a strong ethanol on this one. There was a stronger ethanol on that one than this one.
Yeah, and this was 100 proof.
I feel like this is going to be a super clean taste.
So you can smell the similarities a little bit, but like you said, you don't really get that ethanol-y smell.
When I put my nose in that glass, it like burnt.
A little
this
bit.
one has a it does, but it's like
bit.
then you get like a dark walnut taste to it, which is going to be like a.
This should be like Booker's, but maybe not as hot. Because they use similar mashes and things like that.
Some big Bookers with the ice cube.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Cheers.
Knob Creek 12. Here we go.
Oh wow. You got a heavy smoky oak to it.
Very good.
But then it finishes with like a graham cracker, like a sweeter.
Yeah, definitely sweet on the back end.
It is.
This is probably the best smoked one I've ever had.
Yeah, this is
Yeah,
really
this-
good.
Yeah, because there's some that just overpower you with the smoke, and I don't like it. You know,
I don't like
ooh,
the
you know.
heavy smoke.
This one the smoke is heavier than I'm used to, but it's really good.
It is.
Yeah, it doesn't kill you.
And it catches your whole tongue, not just the front or the back. It's all the sides
Yep.
too. Everything kind of tingles there. It's
Yeah,
like
it
it's
coats
a
you.
nice taste. I like this a lot.
What do you guys think? Good choice for the hunters video?
Hell yes, it was. Hell yes. Thank you, wife. That was a fantastic
Michaela, yeah.
choice right there.
Yes, very good.
Yeah, she knew too. I talked to her about it every day. How bad I wanted it.
This is really freaking good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This reminds me of like a very light Penelope.
Yeah. Well, and
Like,
this is
it's-
why, because like when I did my top 5, this is why I put Knob Creek in there. Because I like the regular one too, but this takes it up a whole nother.
This is
Yeah,
way
different
better.
level.
Yeah.
This is way better than the normal Knob Creek.
So I think
This is good.
I'm gonna keep the regular one in my top 5, but this is gonna be like every time I talk about my top 5, I'm gonna mention this and say, yeah, the 12 just takes that.
And to me, this one kills the 15. So I mean, I actually saw the 15 in the store this weekend, and I just passed on
What
that
do you
one.
think?
because
Is it too much? The 15?
I just think it's overly. I don't know. It's overly smoked to the point to where I don't like the smoke in it,
Okay.
and it's like this one's like the perfect amount. If it had more, it would be more like Penelope taste.
Yeah.
But then there's a like a level where it's just like, well, you just crossed that. And
So
I'm kind of like
he's not the first one I've heard say that. So
12 is better than 15.
well, that's why I was
in
after
my
the 12.
opinion.
That's
It-
why I was
it
after.
is.
Right. That's why this is the one I was after.
This is super
yeah.
good. Super good.
I don't know. You know,
I've heard the same thing about 12's the better of them all.
It is. Well, I don't know. We have a barrel pick coming, so we're gonna have to go with that one against this one, and we may have to like versus them in there, and hopefully we'll remember what this tastes like versus that one. And I mean,
Yeah, in like
That'd be
September,
cool.
I think we have a single barrel pick coming, 120 proof, barrel proof.
that one's gonna be hotter.
Oh yeah, for sure.
So
Oh, yeah.
I'm hoping that it's not like the 15 taste, and it's more here. But I mean, we'll see.
find out
We'll see
then.
in September. But like we tell you in all the videos, don't drink and drive. People love you. Get home.
Like,
Take
share,
care.
subscribe.
Yes, sir. Do that.
All the
Facebook,
socials.
Instagram, this one, that one. Boom. And if you see this bottle at the store, pick it up,
up.
or shoot us a message and tell us it's there. And I may have to go get one because that one's going home with Jim, so I may have to go get one.
I want to
'Cause
say
this
it's
is
around
good.
70.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think
You get
so.
it for retail, so you can get it for retail. Do it, but this is probably one I would go above retail for if I
Yeah,
saw
not
it.
too high, but a little
Right,
above.
right.
It's good.
I would
Like,
probably
it's
try
really
to stay
good.
under $100, but
We
70
didn't even
is
put
here.
ice in this.
No, I
It's
didn't.
that
We need
good.
to, yeah.
Like, it's literally that good.
It's 100 proof whiskey that we didn't even want to put ice in.
Yeah.
Fantastic. But thank you guys for watching.
See you on the next one.